G'day, welcome down to Woodworks. Today I've got a channel announcement to make. So some of you might be aware of Paul Jenkins, the Wood Knight. He has a couple of channels on YouTube. His second channel, he was doing a segment called Awyss, or Awyss, I think that's how you say it. AWYIS, and I think it stood for Australian Woodworkers on YouTube in the Spotlight. Bit of a mouthful, but the concept was a great idea. I always thought it was a great idea and it's something I really enjoyed, and I suppose it's something I'm a little bit passionate about myself, and that's just highlighting Australian woodworkers and makers on YouTube. We all know that the platform is highly dominated by US and Canadian woodworkers and makers. So yeah, any opportunity to fly the flag for the Aussie makers, it's always a good thing. Paul announced on his channel that he wasn't going to do the segment anymore. It was just taking up too much of his time and energy, and I can understand that. The guy's pretty busy on YouTube and Instagram, and these things do take some time. But when I heard that, I jumped at the chance to contact Paul and tell him that I'd be happy to continue on with that. He was happy for me to do that. I did think about the name of the segment. He was also happy for me to continue with the name, but I did decide to change the name. It's much more simplified, and I changed it to Spotlighting Aussie Woodworkers. Couple of reasons. First of all, it makes a great acronym, and second, I wanted to extend it a bit beyond YouTube. I want to do something similar to Matt Cremona's Viewers Project. So if you're a Aussie woodworker who's tinkering out in his shed, making some stuff and nobody's seeing it, then I invite you to get in touch with me. Send me photo or video of your projects and some details, and be happy to include you in the segment. I'll leave a in the description below. I'll leave my email address, but you can also find my email address just in the About Me section of the channel. I do have quite a bit of a list of Aussie YouTubers that I got from Paul, and I'll slowly work my way through that. But if you guys out there know of anyone else who could do with a little bit more traffic to their channel, then definitely please get in touch with me, either leaving a comment below or just contact me through my email address. I'll probably be looking at doing it about once a month or so at first. It just depends on how many channels I've got to get through and the sort of response I get to the Viewers Project. Yeah, so that's about it for the announcement. I'm really excited about it and looking forward to it very much, to getting the first one out there and getting it started and get the ball rolling on that. So yeah, but anyway, in the meantime, until the next video, you guys all have a great day.